Have you ever really stopped to think about the incredible coordinated machine you're living in right this second? I'm talking about your body. It's this amazing collection of systems all working in perfect harmony. So let's explore how this ultimate team actually pulls it all off. Seriously, just think about it. Right now, as you're listening to me, you're breathing, your heart is beating, your brain is processing these words, and you're not even trying. It's all happening automatically. So how in the world does your body manage this complex, nonstop performance? Well, let's find out. The secret to all this magic is teamwork. And these teams are called body systems. Basically, each one is a group of organs that has a very specific mission, and they're all working towards one big goal, keeping you alive and healthy. Okay, so first things first, where does all the energy for this incredible machine even come from? That brings us to our first group of systems, the ones in charge of powering you up. First on the scene is the digestive system. From the moment you take a bite of food, this system is on the clock. It moves that food through your mouth, stomach, and intestines, breaking it all down into usable energy and nutrients for your entire body. A great way to think about it is like this. Your digestive system is your own personal power plant. It takes the raw fuel, your food, and it converts it into the refined energy that every single one of your cells desperately needs just to do its job. But of course, a power plant needs more than just fuel, right? It needs oxygen to burn that fuel. And that's where the respiratory system comes in. Through your nose and lungs, it's constantly bringing in that vital oxygen and getting rid of the waste product, carbon dioxide, with every single breath you take. So we've got the energy and we've got the oxygen. But how does all that good stuff get where it needs to go? Well, for that, you need a top-notch delivery network. And that network, my friends, is the circulatory system. Your heart is the main pump, and it pushes blood through this massive web of blood vessels to transport everything. We're talking oxygen, nutrients, you name it, to every last cell, from the tips of your toes all the way to the top of your head. And I'm not kidding when I say it's a massive web. It's not just a few roads, it's a vast, intricate superhighway. This network is what makes sure every single part of your body gets the supplies it needs exactly when it needs them. It's absolutely crucial. Okay, so we're powered up and we're all supplied. Now, let's look at the systems that give your body its shape and, actually let you move around and interact with the world. Whether you're walking, running, or even just cracking a smile, that's your muscular system at work. Every single movement you make, no matter how big or small, is powered by muscles contracting and relaxing. But here's the thing. Muscles can't do it alone. They need a frame to pull against, and that's the job of the skeletal system. Your bones provide the fundamental structure for your body, and, just as important, they act like a built-in suit of armor, protecting all your vital internal organs. I mean, talk about a perfect partnership. The skeleton is like the strong frame of a car, while the muscular system is the powerful engine that actually makes it go. You literally can't have one without the other. They're a team. So let's recap. We've got power, a delivery network, and movement. But who's the boss? What's coordinating all this? What tells each system what to do and when to do it? We need a command center. And that would be the nervous system. With the brain and spinal cord as its central hubs, this system is like a biological electrical network, zapping messages all through your body. It's responsible for everything: your thoughts, your feelings, your reactions, the whole shebang. So yeah, calling it mission control is the perfect way to put it. It's constantly monitoring everything, making lightning-fast decisions, and sending out commands to all the other systems to make sure everything runs smoothly and in perfect sync. Let's see how this all comes together in something super simple, like taking a single step. Ready? First, your brain, the nervous system, sends a signal. That command tells your leg muscles to contract. That's the muscular system. As they contract, they pull on your leg bones, moving you forward. That's the skeletal system. And to power all of this, your heart pumps faster, delivering more oxygen. That's your circulatory and respiratory systems jumping in. All of that happens in an instant. Just amazing. So there you have it. From powering up to just taking a single step, all these systems are constantly working together. So take a second and just appreciate the silent, incredible teamwork that's happening inside you right now. Really, what's the most amazing thing your body is doing for you this very second?